Good morning, saints. Faith unlocks the impossible. In Mark 9, verse 23, Jesus responds to a father's doubt with a powerful truth. Everything is possible for the one who believes. Now, this verse reminds us that our faith is not in our own abilities, but in the power of God. When we face trials that seem insurmountable, we must remember that belief in Jesus makes the impossible possible. Even when our faith feels weak, we can bring our doubts to Him, trusting that He is able to do far more than we can imagine. Jesus calls us to trust Him completely, even when circumstances appear hopeless. The father in the story had already witnessed his son's suffering, and his faith was mixed with uncertainty. Yet Jesus did not reject him for his doubts. He invited him to believe. In the same way, Jesus invites us to lean on Him, to trust that His power is greater than our fears. No matter how big the challenge, when we put our faith in Christ, we can move forward with confidence, knowing that He is always in control. May you have a blessed day. Shalom.